Hello, children. Good morning. Yes, a very good morning to our juniors from our Shanti juniors. Yes, I know you all are missing our school now. Yes, even we are missing you all. But not to worry. Soon we are going to meet again. But for till that date, keep yourself safe at home and enjoy the video which is teacher is sending every day. Yes, children. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about one of the favorite season. That's a rainy season. Yes, it's time to learn about rainy season. Even also it is called a monsoon season. And you know when the rainy season comes, it comes after summer season. Yes, it comes after summer season. After your holidays. You have holidays in summer season, na? Yes, after that comes the rainy season. See what we have in the rainy season? The thunderstorm, the raindrops. Yes, how the thunderstorms. Have you heard? Yes, this is the rainy season. And what we wear in rainy season? There are the special things which we need to wear and take care during the rainy season. So let's see what are there. See, first we need raincoat. Yes, you must be having now. Then we need plastic gloves. Then umbrella, gumboots, hat. All these things we need during the rainy season. These all protect us to get wet. Yes, to get from wet. Yes. See again what we wear? We wear raincoat, gumboot and umbrella. Yes. Now these are the rain creatures. See, frog, earthworm and a snail. Yes, they come during the rainy season. Yes, they are the rain creatures. See, frog, you must have seen, na? Snail and earthworms. Very good. Now, favorite part. What we like to eat during the monsoon? We like to eat corn chaat, yummy, yummy, hot, hot. Yes, then we like to have coffee. Then we like to have hot milk and a hot soup. As it's a cold season, rainy season. When it's rain, we feel cold. So we like to eat a hot thing. Yes, a hot thing like a corn chaat, like a soup. Yes, these are all the food which we eat during rainy season. And what does rain gives us? It gives us water. Yes. And what do we use water for? Tell. We use water for bathing, for drinking, for brushing teeth twice a day. Yes, once you get up and second when you go to sleep. Before that also you have to brush your teeth. Then washing hands. Yes, you should always wash your hands with water and soap. Then mama needs water for cooking also, na? And watering plants. So we need water for so many things. That's why we should always save water and we get water from rainy season. So let's sing the rhyme of monsoon of the rainy season. Are you all ready? Let's start. Clouds hide the sun. The rain is so much fun. Sunshine is all gone and my raincoat is on. Pitter patter raindrops. With my umbrella I hop. Clouds hide the sun. The rain is so much fun. Sunshine is all gone and my raincoat is on. Pitter patter raindrops. With my umbrella I hop. Yes, so children, let's enjoy the rainy season and always take care during rainy season. Wear raincoat, carry umbrella whenever you go out during the rainy season. Okay kids?